Hi friends, this is Chelsea from Woolsey Works. Recently I partnered with Camille from Chicken Scratch and Sniff to make a fun family date night kit. So the kit I designed is called the Sock Wars Family Date Night Kit. Righteousness arms us with power. Like the title says, you're going to play some epic sock wars with your family or with a youth group to show them how keeping covenants and righteousness can keep us safe from the adversary. So you start by filling out a really fun questionnaire, and it asks you things from the past week, like have you read your scriptures, have you opened the Gospel Library app, and stuff like that. For every one of those things that you've done, you earn a point. And the amount of points that you earn decides how many socks you start with at the beginning of the sock wars. If you earn at least 10 points, then you get a fun paper plate shield to help you during the sock wars. So we have instructions on how to make these paper plate shields. They're very easy. You just need the paper plates and some string or fabric, and then we have these cute little shields that you can cut out. And we have ones for team 1 and we have some for team 2 if you want to divide into teams. And you just punch holes and tie little knots, and then you just hold the little shield. So then you go and you play the sock wars, and we have 7 different variations of those. We have like VIP and leaves in the yard and just a traditional dodgeball type sock war. And after you play that, then everyone gets I survived the sock wars of 2019 certificate. There's a couple of questions there, and then there are also follow-up questions that you guys can answer together. Questions like, how can you spiritually arm yourself against Satan? What socks does Satan throw at you? And stuff like that. And if you're feeling extra cutesy, we even have a Sock Wars banner that you can hang up, and we have a Sock Wars invitation that you could print and either give to a youth group or hang up in your house so that your family knows when the Sock Wars are going down. So I think this could be a really fun thing, especially for the new year, so you should all check it out. It's for sale now in the Chicken Scratch and Sniff market, and I will link that. Thanks guys, have a good night.